Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make image reflection in Canva. What you need to do. First you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the search bar just type the design you are looking for. For example, Facebook post, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, etc. Okay, I will go with YouTube thumbnail. You see the icon here, YouTube thumbnail. Just click here. And after that click elements, and then in the search bar just type what you want, the object that you want to create image reflection from. Okay, for example here I type orange, and photos. Okay, for example this one. Just move it here, and after that click duplicate, and then flip vertical, and then go to elements again and type gradient, and then click graphics. But before that here, just you can go to transparency and just decrease it to 75. Okay, and then gradient, okay, for example this one. And change the color. Okay, first we change the background color. Yes. And here for the gradient, go transparency, and here you can just decrease the color, and here just you can move it a little bit. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to make image reflection in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.